Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem codes in One Piece Bounty Rush. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we first need to do is open the game. So launch the One Piece Bounty Rush game on your device. Then from there, navigate to the menu. In the menu, look for the settings option or the gear icon and tap on it. In the settings menu, scroll to find redeem code button and tap on it. And then a pop-up window will appear where you can input the code. Type in the code carefully. Remember that codes are often case sensitive. After entering the code, tap redeem button. If the code is valid, you receive your rewards immediately, such as gems, character fragments, or other in-game items. And I've just jotted down some additional tips here. So you want to check for expiry dates. So codes may have expiration dates, so use them as soon as you can. And also stay up to date. So follow their social media pages or websites for new code releases.